In today's digital world, communication are at our fingertips. But what happens when these conveniences turn into chaos? Using the dark side of the communication, SMS and call bombarding. It is a growing problem that disturbs our peace, compromises our privacy, and leaves us vulnerable. But don't worry, we are here to help you stay safe. At Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, we believe in empowering individuals with knowledge and protection. Protect yourself from SMS and call bombarding. Follow these simple steps.
First, ensure your phone software is up to date. Second, be cautious about sharing your personal information online. Third, consider using call and SMS filtering apps. And finally, report any instances of harassment to the appropriate authorities.
Take control of your communication and stay safe with Indian Cybersecurity Solutions.